So what are we doing here today, Vader?
Well, Tarkin sent me down from the Death Star, and we're gonna go and approve that too, and see if everything's up to code. I really don't want to be here, to be honest with you.
Ready? Excited?
Yeah.
Me too.
I see you met my fellow gatherers. You may call me Kimbe. I know that to some of you this looks like a lot of old junk, but let me assure you, some of it is new junk. So do we. We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here. So where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may well ensure a future. And that, my friends, is why you are here. To look ahead. To build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our galaxy's greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is a work of art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, the force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. I could talk further. Let's build something. Red, green, blue, violet. One of these colors shines brighter than all the others. Your color, your crystal. In your mind's eye, select your kyber crystal. And remember, it is equally likely your crystal is selecting you. Take a deep breath and open your eyes and take your kyber crystal. I want you to reach out, place your hands on your lightsaber hilt, and connect energy to your hilt and your kyber crystal. Now we're going to find out if everything is lined up correctly. Do you prepared for a burnout? Everybody, hold your breath. What's We have now reached the final part of the process. The bond between builder and lightsaber is about to be forged. Builders, on my signal, you will step forward, place your hands on the hilt of your lightsaber, and when I give the signal all together, we will activate. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah. Everyone step forward. Yes. Hands on your saber, activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and the Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please deactivate your sabers. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should never be dropped on the ground. So to help you protect your new lightsaber, lightsaber sheath as you depart. Our time here is at an end, but your journey is only beginning. It is time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are each as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. And who knows, maybe next time we'll be telling your story. So let's fire!
To the fire!
Uber for Darth?
Yes, that's me.
Are you Darth?
Yeah.
Okay, hop in.
Okay.
Just watch the saber, please.
Don't tell me what to do.